It is at the heart of the mission of the VA National Institute for Brain Health to bring new technologies in a very fast and efficient manner. So we're looking for specific things that they are simple but incredibly effective. Some of these answers are in front of our eyes. Actually, I should say around our ears, because music seems to be one of the most powerful elements for brain stimulation. Music affects some of the areas of the brain that they are totally unattached to the disease. So a person can be extremely impaired with Alzheimer's disease and other dementias and still be able to react to music. We learn from our imaging that when music comes, the area of the brain that is involved with emotions lights up and takes command of the brain, giving to the individual another chance of life. We completed in the VA the first study ever done looking at music as brain stimulation. And actually, we documented the area of the brain that is affected. And what we're doing now, we're talking with a number of VAs all around the country to bring this new technology to the bedside with the hope that our veterans now will be able to enjoy the emotions, overcome the disease, and give joy to themselves and their family. They deserve no less.